fucker.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Hi, YouTube. Enjoy what you see.
Uh-oh.
Liquid Game Genie.
Yeah. Remember, kids, carbonation is key.
Yeah. See the foam? That's what really matters.
That doesn't sound right.
More light. Yeah. Actually, that helps considerably. Fuck off, ladder. Fuck the fuck off. Dude, that helps mega. I can see you now. Yeah.
Yeah, but there's a downside to having the door open. We can't be as loud because now it's going to drag.
Oh, well. They can fuck the fuck off. Phew, that shit still smells really bad over by the door.
Yeah, and you had to go walk on it.
Yeah.
You dick munch.
I stirred it up. Ew.
It's a disease nest. Ew.
It is, dude. It's like a fucking... Yeah, let's go. Let's see what this is, dude.
Dude, I ain't walking.
This is foul. This is foul clothes, and like you can see liquid on the floor. We don't really want to know what it is. It smells like a frog cage, dude. Mixed with shit.
Oh, that just went right up my nostrils.
Right, it's terrible.